So what do you guys do with all the extra garlic that you have, and how do you store it? I found that I store my garlic in my basement, so it's cool and dry and dark down here, and I found that it stores for about 10 to 11 months. So I pretty much have garlic for the whole year, all year round, but a lot of times I have extra garlic, so what do you guys do with all your extra garlic? For some of my garlic, I dehydrate it and use it as garlic powder. Then I also store garlic in brown paper sacks. And then I also sometimes store garlic in old potato sacks that give it good airflow, keep it dry. And I've already given away garlic to friends and family and for people to use in cooking and also for planting. So what do you guys do with all your garlic, and how do you store it?